Cassava is more than just a crop. It is food, income, hope for millions of families across Africa. Yet many farmers still harvest less than half of what their land can produce. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you practically on how you can improve your cassava production using modern technology and modern innovation. These are cassava harvested from our farm. The yield was very big because of the improved technology we used. We used organic fertilizers to get this result. It was even hard for us to harvest them hard because the yield was very big, unlike the normal cassavas.
Dear viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are uprooting our cassava. There is a high modification in cassava production, in the sense that we are trying to our possible best to make sure that the cassava grows very well. And as you can see from our harvest, can you see? You see how big these cassava tubers are. Now these cassava tubers were not as big as this, but because of the advancement in technology and our innovation, they see. Can you see this one? See this one? One person can't even hold it. So there is need for you to go into production like this so that you can help in sustaining food security.
High yield in cassava is not just a result of a single factor. It requires combination of improved planting system, fertile soil, proper crop management, and proper mulching, which can improve the cassava production, and using organic manure to improve the soil. And one of the most important aspects is the cassava stem. This is an improved cassava stem that can give you good yield. The thing that make cassava to grow very well, to give you good yield. Number one is the soil composition, how the soil is being formed. And number two is the fertile, how the soil fertile, and also the stem that you use. The stem, the type of species of stem that you use, that's what will determine how fertile, how big your cassava will come out. So we did a lot of improvements in this farm, in the sense that we use organic manure. The organic manure that we used was BSF frass. So BSF frass, after collecting the lava from your farm, the frass are very rich. They are very rich, that can help your crops to grow very fine, and that's what we do here. And you can see the result from our harvest. So we are always ready to put you through on how you can improve your agricultural sector, and also how you can make your cassava to grow very well using our improved spreadsheet. So if you want to get this improved spreadsheet, call me on my number 080-633-4543. For your cassava to give you a high yield, you must improve the soil. One way you can use and improve the soil is using organic manure. One of the best organic manure that we apply is the frass from BSF lavas. The frass from BSF lavas has a way to make the soil to be rich, making your cassava to grow very well. You can also apply the BSF frass to other crops like yam, onions, pepper, tomatoes, okra, and other vegetables, which this BSF can improve. Cassava remains one of the most eaten fruits in Africa, mostly in Nigeria. You can use cassava to produce garri, fufu, starch, and so many other things. Even flour you use to bake, it is gotten for cassava. So there is need for us to improve cassava production to feed the booming population.